Hey guys, Mr. TCG2 here. I got a Yu-Gi-Oh! Wind-Up Zenmaister 10 for you today, and let's get this unboxed. Comes with 2 packs of Hidden Arsenal, 4. Here I can show the camera. 1 pack of Extreme Victory and 2 packs of Storm of Ragnarok. It's a 2011 10. Let's crack it open. This is my first 10 opening, so hope you guys enjoy. Hope we can get some good pulls. Hope for some hollows. No, I will in the Hidden Arsenal 4, obviously, but maybe we can get some good cards like Trishula or something good in there. Open the promo pack real quick. We have our secret rare Wind-Up Zenmaister, Neo Parshath, the Sky Paladin, Archlord Krista, Elemental Hero Gaia, and the Pot of Duality super rare. These cards are a little bent out of the promo pack. A lot of the 10s come that way. Kinda sucks, but what can you do? Start with the Storm of Ragnarok. Kukurai Watchdog MDL 313 Sizen, Divine Wind of Mist Valley, Tiki Curse, Laself the Nordic Alfar, March Towards Ragnarok, Blackwing Bristow the Tailwind, Gomer of Nordic Beasts, Token Sunday, and Sheen Squire. No hollow in there, just the rare March. Hidden Arsenal 4. The Fabled Cerebral. Secret Guards of the Ice Barrier. Defender of the Ice Barrier. Genix Ally Solid. Drag Dino. For Order Chaos. For Extreme Victory, my bad. Excuse me. Gladiator Beast Tigris. TG Jet Falcon. Sealing Ceremony of Mokutun. Elder of the Six Samurai. Chaos Infinity. Out of the Blue. Scrap Kong. Boon of the Merklord Emperor. Morphontic Staplin. Only another rare in there too. Darn. Cyber Shield. Cosmic Compass. 6-strike triple impact. Verm Illidan. Dverg of the Nordic Alfar, Murmur of the Nordic Ascent, Hourglass of Courage, Karakuri Ninja MDL 919, Kuik, Token Sunday. Alright, so crappy, no hollows out of the pack. At least we got some rares and whatnot. Let's do the last pack here. Hope for something good. Nice! Trishula, that's sick. That made the opening for me right there. That's what I was looking for. Do not have one of those yet, guys. I don't have a lot of Hidden Arsenal 4 cards yet either. So to get one of those, damn, just makes my day. Alright. Warlock of the Ice Barrier, Neo Flameville Garuda, the Fabled Pegulsis, Dignity, I don't even know. Awesome. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more videos. Next we'll probably be opening Raw Yellow Mega Pack, probably 12 of those, and then do Hidden Arsenal 6 after that, I guess. Alright, thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe.